If you've been trading for any length of time, you know that growing your account can be a real uphill battle. The biggest challenge is almost always the capital. Most of us start out with small accounts, and that limits everything: your position sizes, your ability to handle losses, and how fast you can actually grow. That's why prop trading has become such a big trend. These firms give skilled traders access to way more capital than they could ever save on their own. But finding the right prop firm, that's where it gets interesting. And there are a lot of options out there right now, but not all firms offer the same opportunities or the same level of technology. Now, before I dive into my own approach, let me highlight one prop firm that's actually changed the game for me this year, and that's AI Prop. AI Prop is based out of Dubai, and they're making waves with how fast and simple their funding process is. But what sets them apart even more is their commitment to technology. You can use any strategy you want, even fully automated bots, right from the evaluation phase. That's something most firms simply don't allow. And on top of that, their platform includes some powerful tools. There's AI Coach, which gives you personalized feedback based on your active and actual trading style. And then there's AI Analytics, which delivers real-time market insights as you trade. And here's something cool. AI Prop is going to have a major presence at this year's Expo in Dubai, happening on October 7th and 8th. So if you're looking to network, you're looking to learn directly from expert traders, or you just want to check out the latest tech in finance, this is a great chance. You can register for the expo and even meet the AI Prop team in person. That's a big deal. And for if you want to expand your network and get insights straight from the people building the technology. So what's the process for getting funded with a prop in 2025? Let me break it down for you. Step 1 is always research. Don't just jump on the first opportunity you see. Take the time to review what each firm offers. Look at their funding levels, what types of assets you can trade, their risk rules, and what kind of tools and support they are providing. For example, AI Prop funds accounts from $10,000 all the way up to $5 million. So you can start small or you can go big depending on your goals. Step 2. Test your strategies. Whether you trade manually or you use bots, always test your approach in a demo environment first. I personally like to build and run multiple bots side by side, and I track which ones have the most consistent results with the lowest drawdowns. That way, I'm not guessing. I know what works and what holds up under the pressure. Step 3. Prepare for the evaluation. Treat that simulated account like it's real money. Stick to your risk limits and your trading plan. Now, this is where a lot of traders they mess up. They get too aggressive or try to make up for the losses, and it backfires. The traders who get funded, they stay steady, not fast. They stay disciplined, not reckless. Step 4. Use the tools. This is where a firm like AI Prop gives you a real edge, with tools like AI Coach analyzing your trades and AI Analytics giving you a feedback in real time. You can catch mistakes sooner, make better decisions on the fly, and avoid that emotional trading that ruins so many good returns. Don't ignore these features. They can be game changers. Step 5. Once you're funded, change your mindset. Shift from getting funded to staying funded. Protecting your capital is more important than building it. And I use the same discipline and the same analytic tools after I'm funded to make sure I'm not slipping into risky habits. One bad day shouldn't spiral out of control, and with the right tools and mindset, it won't. And here's a bonus tip. Keep learning and stay connected with other traders. Attend expos, join webinars, be active in trading communities. It gives you the fresh ideas, keeps you sharp, and helps you grow, especially as the tech keeps evolving itself. In my opinion, prop trading in 2025 is only getting more competitive, and the firms that offer real tech advantages like AI Prop are the ones giving traders the best shot. In my opinion, prop trading in 2025 is only getting more competitive, and the firms that offer real tech advantages like the AI Prop are the ones giving traders the best shot. If you're curious about them, check out the link in the description, and If you're able, definitely visit their booth at the expo in Dubai. Hope this helps anyone looking to get started with funded trading this year. Now, if you got questions or you have your own experience with AI prop, drop in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more contents on trading and the latest tech in finance. See you next time.